Hi! Today we are going to learn how to allow anonymous uploads in your directory. The CM-Downloads Anonymous Posting add-on includes anonymous upload support to the Download Manager plugin. Administrators can moderate each upload and approve or trash it. In this example use case guide, we'll cover how to let users upload files anonymously to your download directory. You can apply the same idea to any topic or file type. We consider that you have already bought the base plugin and the add-on and installed them. All the core functionality of the add-on is located in two screens. First, navigate to CM-Downloads Pro Settings. Click on the Access and Moderation tab. Under the Access section set Who can add new downloads to all users including guests. The basic setup for the use case is done, but we can do much more. In the same screen you can allow anonymous users to view downloads, use preview, and download files. All anonymous users have to provide a name. This will be used as the author field of the download. A first line of security measure is to ask or force users to provide an email address while uploading. To do so, navigate to the Anonymous Upload tab. Here, under the Upload Page section, you have two settings. Display email address field, it adds the email field to the upload form, and Require email address, makes the field obligatory. The email field will appear at the end of the form. If the email is obligatory and was not provided, users will see the error message. You are able to moderate each download. To do so, navigate to the Access and Moderation tab. Under the Downloads Moderation section, disable the Auto-Approve New Downloads option. When users upload a file, they will see this message. Enabling reCAPTCHA is a great way for protection to prevent spam. reCAPTCHA is a test designed to filter bots. There are different versions of it. To enable it, navigate to the Anonymous Upload tab, CAPTCHA section. You must acquire CAPTCHA API keys from Google. You can easily do this by clicking the link and following instructions by Google. Once you have the keys, add them to the relevant fields. Don't forget to turn on the option Enable CAPTCHA. Collecting information including IP. This feature is relevant to GDPR compliance. You can maintain a log of download activity. Navigate to the Download Page tab. Under the Logs section, check Log Downloads Off. This setting can control if the log will be active and if it will log only logged-in users or all users. Geolocation offers additional country information for each IP that is collected in the log file. You need an API key. You can get it by following the link. To view the log information, navigate to CM-Downloads Pro Logs. There you can filter information by downloads, files, period of time, or by users. Translating the interface. This integration includes some specific labels. This way you can adapt all messages related to anonymous posting. Navigate to Settings, Labels tab, and edit all relevant text. Now let's check the complete result. Click on Add New. Fill the base information about the download and add file. Then the guest user has to fill CAPTCHA, enter his email address and write the name in provided fields. After clicking the Add button, the new download will be held for admin moderation. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to let users upload files anonymously to your download directory. Thanks for watching the video.